this is Planet Bros. Today we're going to be doing a Nerf War with me, August, and Nelson. So let's see who wins. So the rules are, if you get shot once, you're dead because you have 1 life. And Nelson will be starting there. I will be starting actually in the family room, and August will just be starting right behind there in the kitchen. Okay. Oh, no, you hit my hair. You hit my hair. Oh. I got you. So when I shot August, he was reloading, so it doesn't count. August switched his gun to that because the other 2 guns weren't really working.
It's like a really good.
Did I hit you?
No, you're not done.
Oh, that was really close. Oh, August is going over there. Oh!
Okay, so because it's the last round, Oliver is going to be over here, and I'm going to be over there in the kitchen area. And because Nelson got out, he's going to be filming right now. So, yep, see what the final round goes.
So there's Oliver and there's August. So Oliver comes over.
Oh, dang, it's not even reloaded.
So August went down. There he is, aiming to get Oliver.
Oh,
He just shot the wall. Reloading. Wait.
Nelson.
Okay.
Oh,
okay, you reload.
hey, reload. Reload break. Okay.
Starts.
Oh, dang, I hit the launch break.
Oh,
August is over here.
right the shoulder.
Oh.
Hey guys, this is Planet Bros, and yeah, bye.
I might be doing a giveaway.
Bye.